Jet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another drugstore makeup tutorial. Okay, so here's the deal. Today I was like so apprehensive about filming because I'm trying not to put anything on my face. I don't know what's happening to the skin like around my mouth, but within the last few days I've had like this reaction to something and I don't know what it is, but it hasn't just started within the last few days. Like it's been ongoing for a few months, but it's only been like in different spots. So I'm like, oh whatever, it's like so insignificant that I never really addressed it. I did end up going to my dermatologist in the summer for it, and she gave me like this cream that I've been using, which honestly didn't do anything for me, so I just stopped using it. The little patch that I had, like it got bigger, like it spread out. Now it's like all this right here, it's this area right here, and it was red and swollen.
Boom, boom.
I got a aloe plant yesterday at the supermarket and I just cut off a piece, and that's what I've been using to soothe the skin. I haven't been using anything else because I'm afraid. And the aloe did calm it down a little bit, but the texture is still there. At least if I knew what it was, like if it was acne or anything else, I would know how to deal with it or what to do, and I could find a solution for it. But because I don't know what it is, it worries me all that much more. So I made another appointment with my dermatologist tomorrow. The products that I showed you guys in my haul, I'm going to go ahead and incorporate them in this drugstore tutorial. But also, remember how I told you guys that I did not like the HD powder, the NYX HD powder? I just went ahead and bought a different powder from NYX. So this one is the finishing powder, and this is in the color Banana. And then the other thing that I told you guys that I could have done without was the eyebrow pencil, which was not working for me. And so I went ahead and also bought a different one from NYX. NYX Micro Brow Pencil. That's what I meant to say. The NYX Micro Brow. Is that I try to talk so good that I like ruin it. Let me just talk ghetto how I am, right? The NYX Microfiber Pencil. The NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Okay, my lovelies. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna go in with is going to be my NYX eyeshadow primer in the color ESB03. And I'm just applying it all over my lid. Okay, then after our primer, I'm going to go in with these two shadows from the Milani Most Loved Mattes palette. And I'm going to mix these two colors right here. And these are the ones that we're going to use as our transition color. And I'm going to grab a little bit of both of those colors and then apply it in a C shape in the crease. As always, this transition color is going to give the rest of the makeup look a really nice soft blend so that none of the colors look too harsh. You don't have to have it completely blended yet because we can always go back and fix any harsh lines. After that, we're gonna go in with our NYX palette in this is the Edit palette, right? The Ultimate Edit palette that I showed you guys in my haul that has these beautiful spring colors, spring summer colors. And we're gonna go in with these two colors right here, the peach and the yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a swipe of it. And then I'm going to start applying that all over my lid. And I'm not going too high. I'm staying right on the lid. So once we apply that peach color, I'm just going to go back in with the blending brush and smooth over any lines I may have. Then I'm going to go in with a clean brush too. And in the same Milani palette, I'm going to go ahead and grab this white color right here. And this is how we're going to get rid of those harsh lines. We're just going to put this as a highlight, our brow bone highlight. And then what's good is that if you happen to bring that crease color too high, you can always take that color, a lighter color, and kind of blend it out. And it almost works like an eraser. And this time we're going to go in with the yellow. We're going to get a smaller brush because we're going to apply this color in the inner corner of our eyes. I'm going to use a pencil brush for that. And I'm going to take that color and kind of blend upwards a little bit too, and blend that into the peach color a little bit. So now that we've kind of wrapped that up with our eyes, I'm not going to be doing eyeliner today. I kind of want to keep it nice and light. And so I'm just going to curl my lashes. And I'm applying the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes that we used in our last drugstore tutorial as well. When the glue dries, it will dry clear, so we won't be able to see that, and we'll retouch it after. Then I'm going to go in with my mascara. This is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Apply it only on my lashes, not on the false lashes. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go in with a wipe, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up under my eyes a bit, any fallout that I may have. We're going to go ahead and start our face. So first, I'm going to go ahead with the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and I'm going to go ahead and spritz myself. I'm going to also go ahead and spritz my EcoTools blending sponge, which I already used. Then I'm going to take the beauty blender and just kind of press that spray into my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and start dotting it around my face to then blend it in. I'm going to try not to put so much in this area. Start blending it in here. And I really like this foundation. I mean, my opinion hasn't changed. Just because I feel like the coverage is so good. My skin hasn't reacted to it. I don't think this is from that, only because, or this is from the foundation, because my whole face didn't break out. It's just one area, you know. I'm going to really lightly apply down here. So if you want to try the foundation, I definitely recommend it because it is a beautiful foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and apply it under my eyes and the high points of my face. I'm going to go back in with my spray and mist my sponge a little bit more, and now I'm going to start blending it out. And as far as the sponge, it's taken me a little bit to get used to, but I do like it only because I like the shape, how under the eyes, you see how it has like that perfect shape that fits right under the eye and allows you to blend the foundation a lot easier than a pointier sponge would, like the beauty blender. I mean, I love my beauty blender, but you know, this is cool too. Yes, baby. Take some of that banana powder and start applying it really lightly under my eyes. And then I'm also going to bring some right over here. I like the color of it because it's not as white as the first powder we tried in our last video. So then I'm also going to set some of the high points of my face wherever I'm going to set wherever I added concealer, basically. Especially my forehead, because I tend to get a little bit shinier here, down the bridge of my nose. So I definitely like the way the powder feels and the way it sits on my skin, so we're gonna know for sure when I wipe it off. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do our brows with the NYX pencil I bought. So the color is good. I like the color on this pencil more than the other one because the other one was a lot lighter too. I'm not going to show the entire process of doing my brows. I just filmed a video on that and I'll link that above in case you guys want to see that. Okay, so now that we finished our eyebrows, we're going to go ahead and remove this powder from underneath our eyes. We're going to go in with that same peach color right here and start applying that on the bottom lash line. Okay guys, then I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner. So this one is just from Sephora in the color black. Everybody has black eyeliner, right? So it doesn't matter where it's from as long as it's black. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the black eyeliner on my bottom lash line. On my bottom waterline, not lash line, okay? So after we apply that black eyeliner, then we're going to go back with the same pencil brush that we used to apply that peach on the bottom lash line. And we're just going to blend it out a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead with the black mascara again, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my bottom lashes. Okay guys, so then we're going to go in with our blush. We're going to use the Makeup Geek blush in the color Bliss, and the powder brush I'm using is Real Techniques. And I'm going to go ahead and just apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Has that beautiful peach color as well. Did I over apply again? Sorry. That's okay. A little trick, if you apply too much blush, which I always do, is that you can go ahead and take banana powder or translucent powder. I stick to banana or yellow powder and just go over your blush with the powder and it'll soften it a little bit more. So after we've done that, I'm gonna go in with a NYX lip liner, and the NYX lip liner that I'm going to use is going to be in the color London. Used this in our last tutorial. And line your lips. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Candy Slick lip gloss, and this is in the color Sweet Stash, and this is the one I showed you guys in my haul. But it's just that gorgeous orange color. It's a little brighter than I thought it would be. Okay guys, so one of the last steps I'm going to do, I'm only going to do it to complete the look, but it's the palette that I don't really care for. And this is honestly the only color I even like from the palette, which is that third one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it right here. So then the final step is we're gonna go ahead and set our makeup with our setting spray. Alright guys, so here's our finished look. Thank you so much for staying with me and watching this entire thing, and I'll see you guys next time.